Hair is not long. This is the complaint of many nowadays. Of course, in the midst of so much pollution, stress and malnutrition in modern life, this is normal. If you want to keep your hair beautiful, you need to sleep well, eat nutritious food, live a worry-free life, keep your hair clean and so on. Today we will show you how to make your hair thicker and longer in a natural way. First, take 4 tablespoons ginger juice in a bowl. Ginger juice for hair is an excellent remedy for natural hair growth and controlling hair fall. It has stimulating qualities that help increase the blood flow through the scalp, which improves the growth of hair follicles. Ginger for hair has properties that protect and condition your hair. Add 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel. You can directly apply the raw aloe vera gel to your hair and scalp. Work it in with your hands into your scalp, hair, and ends. To help seal in the moisture, apply a few drops of castor oil and massage in. Leave the aloe vera in for about 30 minutes and then rinse off. Add 2 tablespoons castor oil. Can castor oil support hair growth and scalp health? Many people use castor oil as a natural hair treatment. This is because castor oil has moisturizing properties, which could help lubricate the hair shaft, increasing flexibility and decreasing the chance of breakage. Mix well. Now apply this mask on hair scalp to hair length for 1 hour. After 1 hour, wash your hair with shampoo to get best result. Apply this mask 2 times in a week.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.